Please like, share and subscribe our channel to learn and enjoy our free online educational videos from class nursery to 10. Please click the bell icon to get all new updated videos.
Lesson 3. Decimals. Transaction of money, comparing lengths and weights, calculation of marks and percentage, etc. are the areas where decimals are used in everyday life. The conversion of lower units of physical quantities like length, weight, mass and also of money to their higher units involves the usage of decimals. For example, 5 paise is equal to rupee 5 upon 100 is equal to rupee 0.05. 7 gram is equal to 7 upon 1000 kg is equal to 0.007 kg. 9 centimeter is equal to 9 upon 100 meter is equal to 0.09 meter. Whole numbers and decimals. In each of the numbers 1.4, 16.79, 0.034 and 8.575, the decimal point divides the numbers into two parts, namely 1. Whole number part and 2. Decimal part. Decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal number gives the number of decimal places. For example, 1. 1.4 has 1 decimal place. 2. 16.79 has 2 decimal places. And 3. 0.034 and 8.575 has 3 decimal places respectively. Like and unlike decimals. Decimals which have the same number of decimal places are like decimals, whereas with different number of decimal places are unlike decimals. For example, 1, 5.375, 0.024 and 18.970 are like decimals as each having the same, that is 3 decimal places. 2, 6.2, 8.73 and 29.184 are unlike decimals as each having 1, 2 and 3 decimal places respectively. Conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. In order to convert unlike decimals into like decimals, we can put the required number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part of a decimal number. Convert the decimals 0.83, 8.7, 14.32 and 97.585 into like decimals. The decimal 97.585 has the maximum number of places of decimals, that is 3. So, we convert each of the given decimals by rewriting them as 0.830, 8.700, 14.320 and 97.585. Addition and subtraction of decimals. Adding or subtracting decimal numbers is the same as adding or subtracting whole numbers, that is, by thousands from thousands, hundreds from hundreds, tenths from tenths, ones from ones, tens from tens, and so on. Observe the following examples involving addition or subtraction of decimals. Add 5.36 and 7.58. Thus, 5.36 plus 7.58 is equal to 12.94. Subtract 8.57 from 15.4. Therefore, 15.4 minus 8.57 is equal to 6.83. Multiplication of decimals. 0.6 multiplied by 0.4 is equal to 6 upon 10 multiplied by 4 upon 10 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 upon 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 24 upon 100 is equal to 0.24. Multiplication by a whole number. One side of a regular hexagon is of measure 3.5 cm. Find its perimeter. All the sides of a regular hexagon are equal. Therefore, perimeter of hexagon is equal to 6 multiplied by 3.5 cm is equal to 21.0 cm. Division of decimals. Let us find 63.5 divided by 10. 63.5 divided by 10 is equal to 6.35. Also, 63.5 divided by 10 is equal to 635 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 10 is equal to 635 upon 100 is equal to 6.35. As you can see, on dividing by 10, the place value of its each digit is reduced by 10 times than its former place value. Thus, in the above example, the decimal point shifts to the left by 1 place. Division by a whole number. One simple method of dividing a decimal number by a whole number is to first convert the decimal number into a fraction with denominator as 10, 100, 1000, etc. and then divide it. 4.2 upon 3 is equal to 4.2 divided by 3 is equal to 42 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 10 is equal to 1.4. Division of a decimal number by. To divide one decimal number by another, convert the decimal numbers into fractions and then divide, as done in the case of division of fractions. 2.73 divided by 1.3 is equal to 273 upon 100 divided by 13 upon 10 is equal to 273 upon 100 multiplied by 10 upon 13 is equal to 273 multiplied by 10 upon 100 multiplied by 13 is equal to 21 upon 10 is equal to 2.1.